Deep within the twisting rivers of the Indian subcontinent, a creature of mesmerizing proportions rules the sun-baked shores, the gharial, a reptile so astonishingly adapted to its domain that it has evolved into a fish-eating machine with a jawline as slender as a needle and a roar that can be heard for miles. The gharial's remarkable specialization is a testament to the boundless ingenuity of evolutionary forces, shaping ecosystems in profound ways that continue to inspire scientific awe. As we embark on this journey to unravel the secrets of the gharial's ancient armored world, get ready to plunge into a realm where predator and prey are intertwined in a delicate dance of survival, where every ripple in the water tells a story of wonder and resilience. The gharial, scientifically known as Gabialus gangeticus, is a member of the family Gabialidae and is one of the largest reptiles on Earth, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 20 feet. Its incredibly long, narrow snout is lined with hundreds of sharp teeth, perfectly adapted for catching fish, its primary source of food. This specialization is so pronounced that the gharial's jaw is unable to close completely, making it nearly impossible for it to eat anything other than fish. My expeditions in the field have taken me to the banks of the Ganges River, where I'd had the privilege of observing these magnificent creatures up close. Watching a gharial bask in the sun, its body half submerged in the water, is a sight that never fails to leave me in awe. The way its scaly skin glistens in the sunlight and the gentle ripples it creates as it moves through the water are testaments to its remarkable adaptability. The gharial's evolutionary history dates back millions of years, with fossil records indicating that its ancestors existed during the Eocene epoch. Over time, it has evolved into a highly specialized predator, with its long snout and powerful tail allowing it to thrive in its aquatic environment. One of the key researchers who contributed significantly to our understanding of the gharial is the British biologist Brian D. Bell. His work on the ecology and behavior of gharials has provided invaluable insights into their habitat requirements, feeding habits, and social interactions. In terms of ecological relationships, the gharial plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As an apex predator, it preys on fish populations, keeping them in check and preventing any one species from dominating the environment. This, in turn, has a positive impact on the overall biodiversity of the riverine ecosystem. However, the gharial's own survival is threatened by habitat loss, entanglement in fishing nets, and hunting for its skin and body parts, which are believed to have medicinal properties. The gharial is an oviparous species, laying its eggs on the sandy banks of rivers, often in large nesting colonies. These communal nesting sites are a remarkable sight, with hundreds of females gathering to lay their eggs in a synchronized manner, ensuring that the eggs are incubated at optimal temperatures and protected from potential predators. My encounters with gharial nesting sites have been nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine walking along a sandy riverbank, the warm sun beating down on your skin, and stumbling upon a sprawling colony of gharials, their bodies partially buried in the sand as they lay their precious eggs. The air is filled with an almost palpable sense of anticipation, as if the very fate of the species hangs in the balance. As I observe these incredible creatures, I am reminded of the groundbreaking work of Dr. Jeffrey Lang, a renowned herpetologist who has dedicated his career to studying the reproductive biology of gharials. Dr. Lang's research has shed light on the intricate social dynamics at play during gharial nesting events. It appears that females will often engage in a complex series of vocalizations and body language displays to communicate with one another, coordinating their nesting activities with remarkable precision. This level of cooperation is rare in the reptile world, and it underscores the remarkable adaptability of the gharial. By preying on fish populations, gharials help to regulate the numbers of these species, preventing any one fish population from dominating the riverine environment. This, in turn, has a positive impact on the overall biodiversity of the ecosystem, allowing other species to thrive in a more balanced and resilient environment. However, the gharial's own survival is threatened by a range of environmental challenges, including habitat loss, pollution, and entanglement in fishing nets. The construction of dams and barrages along the Ganges River has disrupted the natural flow of water, altering the sediment patterns and reducing the availability of suitable nesting sites for gharials. Furthermore, the increasing demand for fish in the region has led to overfishing, which can have a devastating impact on gharial populations as they rely heavily on fish as their primary food source. In the wild, gharials are known to congregate in large numbers during the breeding season, with males engaging in a series of aggressive displays to establish dominance. These displays involve a range of behaviors, including head slapping, tail slapping, and vocalizations, which serve as a means of communicating their strength and fertility to potential mates. One of the most intriguing aspects of gharial social behavior is their unique mating ritual. During courtship, males will often perform a complex series of maneuvers, including swimming in tandem with females, rubbing their snouts against the female's body, and even presenting them with gifts of fish or other prey items. This level of complexity in their mating behavior is rare among reptiles, and it highlights the remarkable adaptability and social sophistication of gharials. In terms of their ecological relationships, gharials play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. As apex predators, they regulate the populations of fish and other aquatic species, preventing any one species from dominating the environment. However, gharials also have a number of symbiotic relationships with other species in their ecosystem. For example, they have been observed coexisting with mugger crocodiles, which are known to scavenge the carcasses of dead gharials. This mutualistic relationship highlights the complex web of interactions that exist within the gharial's ecosystem, and it underscores the importance of preserving the delicate balance of these relationships. Despite their importance in maintaining the health of their ecosystem, gharials are facing a range of significant conservation challenges. Habitat loss and degradation, primarily due to the construction of dams and barrages, have reduced the availability of suitable nesting sites and altered the natural flow of water in their habitats. Additionally, entanglement in fishing nets, hunting for their skin and body parts, and pollution have all taken a devastating toll on gharial populations. The conservation status of gharials is currently listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List, with estimates suggesting that there are fewer than 250 individuals remaining in the wild. Efforts to protect gharials and their habitats are underway, including the establishment of protected areas and community-based conservation initiatives. However, more needs to be done to address the scale and complexity of the threats facing this incredible species. One of the key challenges in conserving gharials is the lack of understanding about their behavior and ecology in the wild. While researchers have made significant progress in recent years, there is still much to be learned about the intricacies of gharial social dynamics, their migratory patterns, and their habitat requirements. Ongoing research initiatives, such as those led by the Wildlife Conservation Society, are working to address these knowledge gaps and inform effective conservation strategies. Their unique social dynamics, adaptability, and position as apex predators underscore the intricate web of relationships that exist within the natural world. The gharial's critically endangered status serves as a poignant reminder of the impact of human activities on the environment and the urgent need for conservation efforts. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.